up, y'all? What the F is going on? Your girl is back with another video, and today we just vlogging. We're not doing nothing but vlogging. I don't know why I look out the window. I think I get that from my grandma, because that's what she do. That's her little thing. But I have, matter of fact, what time it is? My hair's all over my head. My makeup is time to come off. I've been taking pictures all day. I got up late. I took pictures and did I even lock the door? Girl, I didn't even lock the door. That's when you walk in the house too busy on your phone. So I've been out all day taking pictures, and I didn't even go nowhere. I didn't go nowhere, but I've been like outside in my apartment, office and stuff, taking pictures and stuff, because we gotta get it done. Your girls gotta get it done, okay? So yeah, I finally finished those pictures. Now I think I'm gonna just, some reason I want like a smoothie. Like I feel like I'm gonna make a smoothie out of like some Kool-Aid. I should make some Kool-Aid, put some, no, I'm gonna make it into some smoothie, in like a smoothie form, because it's warm in the house. And we'll make a smoothie. Not a smoothie, because I kind of want like a slushy. Like I don't want it to be too thick. I don't know, we'll see when we make it. But, and I do have to clean up, because last night I was making TikToks all night and only came up with 3 TikToks. Like I was making TikToks all day yesterday and came up with 3. Matter of fact, I made 3 TikToks and also filmed a YouTube video, but not this one. Of course not this one, because we just starting this one right now. But I have to clean up, because I have a bunch of clothes. As you can see, a bunch of clothes on the floor, because that's what I was doing last night. Put them clothes up. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna put them clothes up. I'll probably film some more TikTok videos, because at the beginning of the week, this is what I do, is get all my content done. And because during the week I be working, I'll be at work, and when I get off work I be sleepy, so I just make sure all that's done. And what else? I gotta clean up. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I did the video I filmed yesterday. Should I start editing it? I definitely should. I don't know, because now when I gotta get in the zone of editing. Like it takes me like 2 hours to complete a video and have it posted, but I feel like I want to film another one. I don't know, but I need to find like what I want to do, and like, yeah, I want to find what I want to do. I don't know, but I'm gonna take y'all with me, because I think this is what I'm gonna do. I feel like most of my engagement come from TikTok. If you hear from TikTok, I love y'all, because one thing y'all gonna do is say what it is. And if y'all don't say what it is, y'all gonna say what it is. You know what I'm saying? So one thing TikTok do is support you. I feel like if you give them something to latch on to, they will support you. You just have to put it out there. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, I do fashion inspiration on my TikTok. I don't know how. Matter of fact, I do know how. I was working at this shoe store, and I was so obsessed with these platform Converse. So I got 2 of them. I got a black and white. I got 3 of them. All black ones, black and white ones, and some orange and white ones. 3 of the same shoe. I was so obsessed with them. Now I don't even wear them. That's the crazy part about it. I don't even wear the shoe now. But I was so like obsessed with this shoe. I just was playing around, trying on outfits, trying to see what I could put with the shoe. So I was like, you know, did a little video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it like in the screen so y'all can see. I just was playing around the shoe, making an outfit, and before I knew it, like I got off TikTok, because you know I was never like a TikTok girl. I wanted to be, but I never was like a TikTok girl. So I just posted a video playing around, put on I didn't put nothing on. I just put on some biker shorts, a big t-shirt, a hat, and the shoes. And the video blew up. Like, it was crazy. And I loved it because everybody was so positive. Everybody was like so into what I had on, and I felt like the outfit was just so basic, but people was like, you know, that's how they like, you know, that's how they dress. They like to dress comfortable, like the, you know, everybody, because you know nowadays everybody is about big brands and how to look like you have the most money and stuff. Like, everybody is also all about money nowadays, but that's not what I give off on my TikTok. So if you don't know, go check them out. I do everything. I dress based on a budget, y'all. I shop from Walmart, Ross, Shein. You know Shein's cheap as hell. Pretty Little Thing, stuff that's like places that's affordable, because who got money to be shopping at Balenciaga? Baby, they have a keychain that was like $350. Excuse me? A keychain? A keychain. Was that Balenciaga? I think that was the Balenciaga website. If it wasn't Balenciaga, it probably was Prada, because I went on there just to see how much people be spending. Like, baby, them stuff is not baby, no. But I started doing that on my TikTok, and ever since that video, I've been posting nothing but that type of content, and all the videos doing so well. Like, if it's nothing, if I just put on a shirt and some pants, add my flavor to it, the video gonna go up. And then, like, y'all don't understand, like, your girl is about to hit 100K followers on TikTok just by putting on clothes. Like, I literally do this. I literally do this. Try on clothes, make cute outfits, put it on in the camera. You know, add some transitions if I feel like being creative. But I didn't start off doing that. At first I was just playing in the camera, trying to be cute, making little videos, and it took off. And now, because I feel like I love it, it's like I want to do more. I want to learn how to do transitions. I want to learn how to edit. I want to do it now, because I feel like okay, I like doing it. People like what they see, and it's like, I enjoy the process, you know what I'm saying? Like, the filming, the editing, I enjoy it. I love to see what I'm gonna come up with next. I don't know, like, if you one of them people like they don't really know your niche yet, definitely find your niche, because that helped me so much. It helped me so much, just tie down everything and figure out what it was that. Also, knowing your niche helps you stay on topic. If you don't know what you're doing, you're just like that general studies type of person, you have to keep putting out content, because you keep putting out different content, which makes it's hard for viewers to see what you're actually into. So you have to find something and see, like, if you know how to sew something and put it from scratch, quick video, like make it a 5-second video from scratch, piece of fabric, you turn into a whole wallet or something. I don't know, but definitely find something that you know how to do, find something that you're interested in, because if you take off, all you gotta do is keep doing what you know how to do. But that's just me, y'all. Anyways, I don't want to talk too long about that, but that is how I took off on TikTok. And honestly, I grew. Right now I just hit 11K followers on Instagram, and that's because TikTok is actually coming to Instagram. Like, I have my link in the bio, and they actually come to Instagram, follow me. Some people come with DMs and ask questions and stuff, and I love it. But yeah, let me show y'all the pictures I took today. I already posted it, but these are the pictures I posted today. I took all day trying to take these pictures, but it's giving very much Instagram, you know what I'm saying? It's giving very much Instagram, you know? And I also becoming one of those persons to put in the, like, in my like carousel, to put in my carousel like a little tweet of my own, to actually like kind of grow my own Twitter, because we're trying to get a little, you know, we're trying to get some stuff going or whatever the case may be. But yeah, that's that. So I'm back. Okay, you see I'm kind of in a different outfit because I'm taking Instagram pictures. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch that process because yeah, why not? So all I did was found me a cute spot. My kitchen is cute. I love the white cabinets for some reason, but I found a cute spot in the kitchen. Cut this big ass ring light on because why would you take pictures without light? If you're taking pictures without light, get a ring light, because you're gonna love your pictures so much better if you had a ring light. So I have a ring light right here, and I also have another tripod with my phone on it so it can hold the phone, because yeah, I have an iPhone 12. So all I do is like go to the camera, and I take pictures with front camera a lot. So let's just go to the front camera, and y'all see that arrow right here? I press that. You see how it backs it up? So you want to do that so your pictures won't be too much, won't be too close, you know what I mean? When I set the tripod up, I got this on trash can because my leg broke, but mind your business. So I got it on the tripod. You can see what it see. You see? So that's the spot. This is the spot that I'm about to be in taking pictures. See? Cute, aesthetically pleasing, I feel like. So that's how the camera look. You see? And all I'm gonna do is make sure I press that zoom out button, and I have a clicker right here. It's a Bluetooth clicker. So all I will be doing, you can probably see, let me try to zoom in so y'all can see. And as I press the button and pose, I would take a picture. So let's say I pose like this or something. You will hide the clicker. Let me put my shorts down so I won't look cheesy. But I'll hide the clicker in my hand. Like say I want to put my hand on my hip, which I'm not gonna do because I don't know. We could do it. I get a feel for how I want to pose. Yeah. And then I'm clicking. So all you really need is the light. And you see on my ring light how I have the hold on, I'm sorry y'all. I'm zooming out. Let me cut the ring light down. Sorry. So on the ring light I have these yellow. If you are one of our melanin queens or kings, keep these on. Only 2 of them will do the job, so it won't make you look washed out. And when I say washed out, you won't look white, because all white light is not good light. So you need something that make you have that color back into your skin. And I'm just clicking, posing, clicking. Again, y'all, I take a million pictures.